In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Adobe fonts in Creative Cloud and use them in Figma. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open the Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. This is the main place where Adobe manages apps, services, and font syncing, so it's important to begin here. Once the application is open, give it a moment to fully load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. Since Adobe fonts sync through your Adobe account, being signed in and connected is essential for everything to work properly. Next, head over to the Fonts tab inside Creative Cloud. This section is where you can browse and manage the Adobe fonts available to your account. From here, find the fonts you want to use and activate them. Activating a font tells Creative Cloud to sync it to your computer locally, which means other supported applications on your system can recognize it. Depending on the font and your connection, the sync may happen almost instantly, but sometimes it can take a minute. If you don't see the font right away later on, waiting briefly or refreshing the app can help. It's also a good idea to make sure the fonts are fully activated before moving on. If Creative Cloud shows the fonts as active, that usually means they've been synced successfully. This step matters because Figma in the browser relies on locally available fonts when you want accurate text display and editing. Once your fonts are active, open Figma in Chrome. Using Chrome here is important because browser-based font access can depend on the setup you're working with, and this workflow is designed specifically for Figma in Chrome. After Figma loads, go to your design file and select the text layers you want to update or work with. When those text layers are selected, Figma should be able to detect the Adobe fonts that were synced through Creative Cloud. If the font doesn't appear immediately inside Figma, a quick refresh of the Browser tab can often help Figma recognize newly synced fonts. In some cases, closing and reopening the file may also help. The key thing is that the fonts must be activated first in Creative Cloud before you expect them to appear in Figma. That's it. By opening Creative Cloud, activating your Adobe fonts in the Fonts tab, and then selecting your text layers in Figma through Chrome, you can make those fonts available in your design workflow smoothly and reliably.